In 2025, the Japanese pink salt weight loss recipe went viral on social media, often promoted as a miraculous slimming hack or an age-old detox secret. The method is straightforward. Mix a quarter teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt with lemon juice in cold water and drink it first thing in the morning. Proponents claim it speeds up metabolism, enhances digestion, and effortlessly burns fat. However, what does the science say? Experts and credible sources agree that this recipe alone can't produce actual fat loss. While pink salt offers trace minerals that may aid hydration and digestion, and lemon provides vitamin C, there's no solid evidence that this mixture directly burns fat or results in lasting weight loss. Most of the reported effects, like less bloating or feeling lighter, stem from temporary water balance changes or improved digestive health, not real fat reduction. Sadly, the craze is driven by aggressive marketing tactics and scams, fake celebrity endorsements, false doctor-recommended labels, and promotions of unverified supplements. It's important to be wary of bold claims or pressure to buy expensive products. In short, the Japanese pink salt recipe is safe as a mineral-rich, refreshing morning drink, but won't magically shed pounds or replace healthy lifestyle habits. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss plan. True results come from genuine lifestyle changes, not shortcuts.